The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Very good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 4th. Jeff, Ray, Deepak, Jim, good morning. Guys, very good morning. Chris, Todd, you folks are here on trial. Patrick, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Gerardo. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. You're very welcome, Tim. Very welcome. Fairly quiet morning, guys, so far. Currently, the markets are green. Nasdaq's up 27. ES 12.5. YM is up 102. Russell's up 8.5. Gold is flat. And gas is up. Natural gas. It's green, but slow. My sense is we work down to, I think the range is somewhere between 460 and 560. We'll see what we get. I'll be paying attention to crude. Crude had that monster move yesterday. I did offer that up in the room for those of you guys that took it. But I'll watch crude again today. Right now, indices all pretty much look the same. Sloppy. Russell might be interesting on a pullback, maybe to 64. I don't know that it comes back that far, but the target is 87. Gold, yeah, probably down to 95. I would say gold is short to 95. There's an abundance of support between 93 and 5. I think that's where gold should head. Crude looks like it trades back up to 88, 76, 88. Above that, we get 77, 76. But I gave you guys a target yesterday at that 88 area, and it did hit overnight or early this morning, but it did hit. Natural gas is finally breaking up with this cold weather. I like natural gas long, guys. 39.90 area. You're welcome, Scott. We got that target. I'd like to see us pull back 430 to 460 on the hourly, which is what I think we'll do. In any event, guys, we're here. I am having an interesting issue with my order flow today. For some reason, I can get data on a 30 range, but on my normal 5-minute on order flow, this is what I get. If anybody has an answer, let me know. I've never seen this before. I can't get data on a 5-minute chart. I can get it on a 30 range. Same thing goes for gold. I can't get it on a 5-minute, but I can get it on a 4-minute. Same thing for crude. Can't get it on a 5-minute. I can get it on a 4-minute. Same thing with the ES. Morning, Chad. So if anybody's ever experienced this, let me know. Good morning, Albert. I have messaged Joel, but I realize it's probably a bit early for him. Longer? I have 3 days. That's historically been enough. 5 days? The problem with loading more days is you're loading more data. me see if that worked. No. Mm-mm. Yeah, it's weird. I've never had this happen, so I have no idea. I already have a template. I mean, I've got a template saved, and I've tried. Oh, look at that. Now I have it. Okay, that's odd. I went to 2 days. You had the same problem? Weird. All right, well, that seems to have fixed it. Fewer days. Appreciate the help, fellas. Didn't think to do this. All right, back in business. There we go. Guys, coming into the session, we have decent volume. Thank you, Ken. I've already got it. We're good. Small net selling right now in the Nasdaq, 257 contracts. Gold has net selling. I think gold comes a little bit lower. Crude, a couple thousand buyers. I think that we should get a pullback ahead of the open. At least I'd like to see that. And then we've got 6,000 buyers in the ES. Yesterday was a fairly slow trade outside of the first half hour or so, maybe 40 minutes, most of which I could not trade. Hopefully I don't have the same issue today, but fortunately I do run another platform, so I have accurate data and I can at least get you guys in and out of trades. Again, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I doubt we have much in the way of news today. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Guys, coming into the session, not one single bot trade. Nothing is traded this morning. I do use it, Patrick. I do. No, I don't. I have that off. I'm looking at it now. It's off. Short at NQ 6 a.m. Yep. NQ is a short up near 50. Here was the trade. right there. That was your short. Yep. Order flow, order flow is key. I've been doing this a long time. Order flow, I believe, is key. We've got a lot of successful order flow traders. I think the next class will be my 5th, which starts next week. Guys, there are still, I still have some openings for the class next week, at least one, but I've got at least one that is yet to respond. So if anybody is interested in the next class, it's first come, first serve. Just because somebody has said, I'm in, until they pay, it's irrelevant to me. But class begins next Thursday, and it is the last class I will do under the 2-year membership. Okay, Albert. So if anybody is interested, let me know. I say it every day. If you're not, cool. Looks like Nasdaq wants to bid to 20 and then 25. I agree with that, Albert. No question. No question. I've traded or at least attempted to trade every method. So there's target 1. Nice job, Zach. Nice job, Ray. I still think we get 35. This is your target zone if you're long Nasdaq. Right in here. That's your target. And now if you're trading multiples, as always, guys, let me preface this and say trade as you see fit. That's right. Winner in the bank. We'll take them all. God knows I've been wrong many times. I have killed more winning bot trades than you can imagine. Nasdaq's just pushing some resistance in here. Got to get above this 33. Small positive delta now. Insignificant. 20 contracts. Yesterday's high not yesterday. Monday, Friday, Thursday's high and today's high is, let's see here. Today's Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, last week, Wednesday and Thursday, the high is pretty much lining up with today's highs so far. And we've got a fair amount of resistance up there. Nice job, Jennifer. I don't think gold is going. I could be wrong. I mean, Lord knows I've been wrong before, but I don't think it goes a whole lot higher. Schumer doing the rounds on television promoting the Build the Taliban Back Better bill. How many more years do we have? That's right, Scott. The Israeli prime minister commenting that the fourth booster shot extrapolates immunity 5 times. Pretty soon you'll be getting a weekly booster. Yeah, man, I miss crude. Jesus. Neither will I, brother. I won't even be getting the first shot. And we missed it this morning. Look, this morning. Okay, 76.28 at 7:35. Yeah, I'll wait 5 years. Let me look at gold. I'm thinking. I mean, it can't go above 08. It's not going above the day high. Exactly. Those are my boosters. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. Dan. This could push up to 06. I'll show you. Here's gold. Look at the daily. Here's where we are on gold. Right here. Okay. We're above the 100 marginally. We're pushing up into the daily cloud. This red thicker line here is your 50, which is at 063. And then this is the 26 period on the cloud at the high of the day where it's failed. This could push up to 6. Scott's saying 10. Yeah, we could go to 10. We could. We'd have to put in a new day high to do it. I don't think that there's much probability in that. We could also trade all the way up to 12. We could. You know, I've got to look at probabilities and say, what are the probabilities? I think what I'd like to see is a retracement up near 6 before it rolls over. Your daughter has COVID? Sorry for that. Yeah, so if 1800 breaks, I think gold. I mean, my opinion is gold should break down to somewhere between 93 and 95. All right, out on the rotary gold. See how we're pulling everything up? I would say gold is a short. But again, we could pop back up to 063 to 5. It's only 700. So it looks like we're going to go higher. It's set up for longs. But if we drop below this 1800, 99.5, it's going to get whacked. Yeah. Nasdaq shorts. No. Or at least try. So here's the conflict on the Nasdaq. Hourly's long, daily's long, small time frame wants to pull back. So the easiest trade is we wait till the small time frame pulls back and turns up. I've got daily and hourly longs. They're giving people $100 to take the shot. Seriously. In Houston. Yeah, man, give me the $100 bill. You can put that crap in my arm. God bless him, man. Hell, you can get more than that for giving blood. Yeah, you can get more than that, give blood. Sell a kidney. Mexico evaluating booster shots for adults 50 years and older. Mexico says they may use the Cuban vaccine as a booster shot. It's an FNN virus. I don't know what that means. I said this years ago. So at one of our members' homes, 2 out of the 5 got COVID, and they've had 3 shots. I had COVID a year ago, so. This gold to me looks like it wants to go higher, fellas. Nasdaq's holding some support right near the whole number. Yeah, I had it. Zach, I had it. I'll be honest with you, though. You weren't here, but I missed no work. I was in the room every day. I mean, it was hell because, the exhaustion is, as you may know, horrific. But I worked every day. We were still jamming, even with the vid. That's right, with the Rona. Thanks, Deepak. Listen. The only way I'm not here working is if the market's closed. That's it. That's it. Let's go, Brandon. We've got a short on the bot currently. Hey, hubba hubba. And we still have that Nasdaq bot trade on. So we got 2 trades on. See what we get. Gold has gone to all 3 targets and then some. Longs on the YM. ES also looking long. I don't think it pulls back below 800 is support. A couple of points it might pull back. Russell's going to pull back on the open. Gold, the short is, 10.5 and it got to about 9.5. But gold, that may be a quick scalp. Gold could blow up to the top of the cloud on the daily. Crude should pull back. It's going to find initial support 38, not much lower. We'll see. Anybody have any questions before we go? Nasdaq on the bot almost came to first target. Nasdaq's going to sell in the open. Still have a couple minutes here, fellas. Nasdaq small negative delta, 240 contracts. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's get a target. Under a minute here, guys. Just under a minute to the open. $30 seconds. We're off, fellas. There's target one on the bottom, the Nasdaq. Target one. We should trade down to 93. There it is. 460 is on the Nasdaq bot. We've got 2 targets off. All 3 targets hit Nasdaq. Russell bid. ES pulled back to 99. I said 800. It came back to 99. Bounced a couple of handles. Let's see what we want to do. Nasdaq is still shorts, guys. Buyers coming in. We're trying back up to VWAP maybe. Let's see what we get here. We held 77 area. I was looking for 60, but I think longs. They're still selling them. Let's see if we get down near 60. I like that area better. 60. Come on down to 60. We're holding some support. We don't have a new day low yet, I don't believe. 74.50. All right, guys. I'm going to try. No, not yet. Sellers back in. 120. Gold's coming down. Come on, 60 is what I want to see. New day low coming. There it is. Got bid out on crude. Got bid ESYM. Russell, not Nasdaq. They're selling the DAC. Look at gold. Damn it, crude. Great pullback on crude. All right, guys. Nasdaq. Come on. What are you doing here? We got pretty close to my 60. buyers in the Nasdaq trying now. We're at 1,500 sellers. They got swamped again. There's the buyers. Where'd we pop up to? 96. We're setting up for the longs, guys. We just don't have them yet. Watch for the long down here. I'd like to see this breached. Morning, Caleb. And then a bounce back up. Breach it. Oh, don't hold it. Breach it. Come on, breach. Damn it. What I wanted to see was a break of the 95 and then a suck right back up. Yeah, I was 556. I was looking for 60. We got close. 68.75. Got a target at 92. All right, now we got buyers. There's 92. We got buyers. I'm going to try a long, guys. Got a 124 here. I'm going to try the long with a short leash. Come on, let's go. Come on. There's your buyers. There's your buyers. Target number 104. No. Damn it. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Come on. 04. 04. Struggling in here with small buyers. Buyers are trying in here. Russell is long. Crude got target one on the bot on the long. I'll bring it all over in a minute. 04 target one, fellas. 04. Just missed. God dang it. Are you kidding me? We got 03. I'm going to kill this trade. I'm out. I'm out. Son of a pup. Got 03. All right, here's crude. Target one is off on the bot. Had a losing trade on the short. It reversed and went long. Okay, target one is filled. And we have now it's going to go. And we have trade one here on the Russell. Still no buyers. Lower high in this push. This should go to 7 now. YM, Russell, and ES all did their job. We're just floating. Big seller here, over 100. And 20 more just below them. If you took the YM, almost a target. If you took the ES at the whole number, you got 6, 7 handles in it now. Russell as well. Gold hanging. Crude hanging. We may get our 460. That's the area I'm looking at, guys. You did not. 67. You kidding? Damn. Come on. Slightly lower low. $3,200 sellers. Now we're just hanging out. Got a 107 buyer here, but you can try along here, 92. There's the 92. Come on, push. I'm on the close. Come on. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'll take small losses. was it? 92. Come on. What are you, allergic to the low? Let's go. Guys, almost 4,000 sellers. That's what I see. 460, man. 38. You got 600 sellers in this 3-minute bar. 3,800. Yeah, well. Another big seller here with blocks, 90 contracts. Small buyers in here now. Getting beat down again. Sellers are jumping all over them every time they try to find buyers. They just had 90 buyers. They've gone negative delta quickly. Nasdaq should come back to 77. If it breaks below 77, we come 71 and then possibly into the lows. More sellers. We're holding that 77. It's holding 77, but I don't think it can hold long. Come on, push down. Let's go. Give me that 60. Come on. 20 more handles. 15, whatever it is. High or low here. This is the area I'm looking at, guys. So let's see what happens. 60, right? Can't adjust my order flow. We came to 50. Now it looks like we're coming to 30. Sit tight, guys. Yeah, 30. That's what I'm looking at too. 30, 35. Come on, Nasdaq. It's trying down here, fellas. Buying YM, guys. Yeah, they're buying the YM. YM's breaking out on the daily big time. ES is breaking as well. And Russell hit my target that I gave you guys, 88. Gold is bid as well. Crude is, yeah, I know, ISM, 10 o'clock. We're consolidating down here. Look at this freaking YM. I'm going to have to start trading the YM. All right, guys, I'm watching Nasdaq for the long at, hang on, 31, 31. Call it 32, 33. This could bounce back up to 85. Crude is blowing up. Crude has exceeded third target on the bot. Next 15-minute bar in 4 minutes. This is going to have a hell of a time getting through this mess. We're setting up for longs. I'd really like to see this one last push down into that 30 area. I'm trying to front run it a bit. Thank you, Scott. Yeah, here's the crude bot, fellas. I've manually moved this to third target. 59 ticks locked in. With 5,000 net sellers, I don't have the guts to take another long here. Back end net. AMD is selling. Amazon came down to 33.95 and bounced $7. We're getting a bounce. AMD is bouncing. Cancel that for now. Out on Russell again. Russell's taking 2 trades today, 2 losers. Crude's bailing us out for now. I still think we'll get that drop down, guys. It's in my opinion, it's worth the wait. I mean, these are scalpable, but out on crude on the runner. ES is holding up well. YM has done well. Russell is starting to reverse a bit. Thank you, Deepak. Yes, it does, Greg. I mean, all the way up to here, 71. Right? That would have been a short somewhere up into this push, into that zone. Got Jolt's job openings coming. Poland expected to raise rates. That won't affect us, but looking for 11.1 million on Jolts. Yep. I still want that 32 area. 33. One more push down. Five seconds to news. ISM came in at 58.7. Jolts is a miss, 10.6. We could go up. Bounce back to 85. No, don't tell me we're going to stop at 38. Come on. Here it comes. Okay. Target number 145. Come on, bounce. Bounce. Bounce faster. This could come to 17. Come on, you dog. Are you kidding? You're going to blow this pivot? If this doesn't hold, we're coming all the way to the bottom. We're coming to 400. Got to be kidding me. Got small buyers in here. Come on, buyers, suck this up. God dang it. There's 17. Come on, bounce. Got to get back above 18. We go back, we go to 45. Come on, get above 18. Now that's the problem, is 18. Come on. Get up above 18. Next stop is 9. God dang it. We're coming to 400, fellas. If we blow 400, I'm out of here. There it goes. Come on. Got to get above 18. Buyers tried again. If we blow 400, this gets brutalized. Come on. Come on. 18, 19. Give me 19. $7,000 sellers here, fellas. 7,000. Come on. God dang it. There we go. Oh, God, we had it. Oil producers believe there are uncertainties over Omicron, but it does not affect oil demand overall. There we go. Come on. Man, this thing cannot get off the stinking ground. Every time the buyers come in, they get swallowed. We got buyers in here now, 115. Come on, back to 45. Let's go. Small buyers, small sellers now. Morning, Marco. Come on, dog. Bounce. Let's get back above 23 now. Small buyers. Back to small selling. I'm on the close, fellas. I'm not, we didn't hold support on the hourly, but it's trying to bounce back up to support. Got to get above 22, 22, 20, maybe 20, 23. We're struggling at 17. Come on, we're below 7,000 sellers at least. Trying to go below 6,900. We're going to hit it. Boy, they're fighting like hell right here, guys, buyers and sellers. We're below 6,900. Trying to go below 6,800. Come on, buy these up. Below 6,800. We're below 68. Are they not doing any, Mimi, are they not doing any futures? Trying to go below 67. Come on, you got them. Jeez. Below 67. Back above. Come on, let's go, buyers. God dang it. Buyers are trying down here, and the sellers are doing everything they can to press this. We get above 23, this will go. Come on, one more candle. Almost. Oh, Jesus, had it. 5 minutes to the next, 4.5 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. Come on, you dinkhead. There it is, new candle. Get above 22, 23. Got buyers, guys. We're below 6,600, trying to go below 65. Back above 66, small. All right, I'm out. I'm out. Nope, I'm out. I'm out. It didn't hold any support. Now it's going to blow the hourly, and we're going to come to 355. God almighty. We're coming down here to blue, 356, 355. Son of a pup. See you in class, Greg. Yeah, by the way, if you guys are in class today at 1 o'clock, I'm sorry, 12 o'clock, I've sent the link yesterday. Everybody should have it. If you do not have it, email me. If this bounces now, I'm going to be annoyed, really annoyed. You're not in class, dude. You're not in this class. They wake up on the wrong side of the bed with the Nasdaq today? ES is still holding 800. Russell's getting beat. ES below 94. Yeah, and it's ES is going to sell too. I think they're all going to get, other than the Dow. Take a look at stocks real quick. Nasdaq's only off 100 points. Bonds are down a bit. Apple's off 20 whole cents. Facebook's off 20 cents. Tesla's down 17 after a $100+ move yesterday. Amazon's off 26 bucks. Netflix is off 5. Nvidia's down 7. Google's up 12 bucks. Baidu's down 3 and change. Moderna, Square, AMD all down. I mean, nothing's down so egregious. Yesterday's low was 292, was it? Yeah, I hate the ES also, dude. Unless it's zipping like the Nasdaq. Yeah, rates are rising. That we know. The 10-year is up. I'm going to get this Nasdaq, but it may be down here at the bottom. Yeah, that's where we're coming. We're coming to blue. We're coming to 355. If that area doesn't hold, it's going to zero. Where's Chris? If that area doesn't hold 215, 292, then 215. And 292 is yesterday's low. God almighty. God help us if we could trade back down there. Be a great long, I would think, but in light of bonds, gold is bid. Let me look at the VIX. See if we're got buyers above the 95. Okay. Boy, I would have liked to have seen that 55, 56 area. A record 4.5 million Americans voluntarily left their jobs in November as the U.S. had 10.6 million jobs to fill that month. I do. Ed. It gave at 9:05. It gave the short. It hasn't given another signal since 9:05. I wasn't here. Morning, James. That's for my breakfast. As I've told you guys before, that I would have paid attention to. Maybe that one. These longs I would not have. I really don't like them until we get overbought and oversold. So it gave the long here at 735 at 09, and it worked up to 29. But we haven't had another signal on a 5-minute. 3, yeah, right where we came. No bot trades. ES is rolling over though. Bot currently is down $350, $360. Your bots are up 40. I'm down 360. There's not been another trade. ES is rolling. $195. If we blow that 195, that's the 21-day moving average, it gets brutal. Brutal. It gets really brutal. You know, 9 days out of 10, I laugh at this Nasdaq and we tear it up. Today they laughed back. There's 223. If we don't stop here, 195 is next. Yeah. Come on, Give me a bounce, for God's sake, for real. Just a bounce. 10,600 sellers. They find 190 buyers. Yep, it is. Yeah, well, I'd be a little leery of selling the YM at this point. Look at all the buyers. Look at the buyers. Guys, so, listen, I take my beating like a man. If I'd have seen this coming, I'd have been short 20 all day. Anybody see this coming? Again, the first 30 minutes of trading didn't give me any indication this was going to happen. Just a normal pullback and a bounce. I mean, even through here, up until 10 o'clock, any indication this was going to be a brutal sell-off? You only got one. There's only been one trade on the ES today, Keith. This is it. I'll go over my trades, guys, at 11 o'clock. I mean, I'm thinking we may get that second target, which will actually give us a green day on the bots. Bots down $110. Well, why didn't you say something, Randy? You could have told me. This is the only trade on the ES today. First and second target. Okay? Yeah, I can. Give me a minute, Jeff. First and second target hit. Here is crude. First trade on crude was a short. It came 31, came 3 ticks to first target and reversed, losing trade. And then it got the long. All 3 targets were hit, and then some, but all 3 targets hit on crude. So 1 for 2. Here is gold, had 1 trade. First target I got. Second target. Got first and second target. Here's the Nasdaq, which had 1 trade. This short, all 3 targets hit. 8, 20, and 29 handles. Obviously, and still going, but all 3 targets hit. This was the killer today. And I can't even. There it goes. This was the killer today. Trade number 1 was a long. Fed's cash carry expectations for 2 rate hikes this year has changed from his last year. Well, I thought they said 3. Now they're floating 2. Now they're floating 2, right? Didn't Powell come out and say 3? Dot plot was 3. In any event, trade number 1, losing trade. Trade number 2, and for my trials, so you understand, or newer members, this is a second signal of this. This is not a new trade or an additional trade. 0 for 2. Did not catch the short because of the secondary time frames, which is what it's built to do. So 0 for 2. 0 for 2. The bot today finished green. $552.50. $552.50. They're all off. That last ES trade put us over. Got all targets. Okay? All right, Jeff, let me come back to you now.